Everyone keeps saying AI is the future, but they are wrong. AI is not the future. AI is now. And the fact that you're not using it means you're already behind. Wake up. In 2025, almost all the jobs are being commoditized. Sales, coding, copywriting, graphics design, you name it. Even business strategy, AI can now do it all better, faster, even cheaper than any human could. But here's the thing, the more AI becomes embedded in our lives, the more valuable you become. Your voice, your story, your personality. If anyone can type in a prompt into ChatGPT, get the same output, what makes you different? Your personal brand, your beliefs, your voice, your story. That's what people will lean into. That's what people trust. And ultimately, that's what people buy. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to build a profitable personal brand using AI. Hey, if you're just seeing my face, I'm the mfonakpanofficial, ex-HR pro, now digital entrepreneur, monetizing her skills and knowledge online and helping women do the same. If this is something you're interested in, kindly hit the subscribe button. This is where you want to stay, in this little corner on the internet of mine. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. While you're at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Thank you so much. So you might say, okay, I know how to use ChatGPT, I know how to use AI tools, but now the truth is using AI or knowing how to use AI isn't enough. And the people who are winning and will win in the future are people who know how to blend AI with authenticity. Today, anybody can just tell ChatGPT anything and then copy and dump. Like, you know it. If you've been using AI and you see AI content, you will definitely recognize it. So the people who are winning or the people who are going to win are people who know how to blend both. Blend AI with authenticity to create content and a brand that feels real. And to do that, all you need is just your laptop or just your cell phone and an internet connection. I'm not sharing textbook theories with you. This is how I run my business. I've also helped people build side hustles, attract clients, and launch their own personal brands. So now, how do you build a personal brand that makes you money? Phase one is to start with a business idea. This is where people get stuck. And you hear them say, oh, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? These are real fear. Like Melinda says, fear kills more dreams than failure ever will. The only way forward is through. So people get stuck in this stage because they don't know the kind of business idea. They don't know where to start from. Then the anxiety starts kicking in. So we're going to start from the basics. Finding your business idea. To find your business idea, I recommend you use the Japanese concept called ikigai. I learned about it whilst reading this book called Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Okay, so I recommend you use the Japanese concept Ikigai, the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When all four aligns, you've got your business sweet spot. So before I show you how to use this concept with ChatGPT, I really recommend you read this book. I don't know if you can see it. It's going to turn the other way around because I'm using my front camera to film this. Ikigai. But this is it. Read the book. So let's head to my computer now.
So you want to come to ChatGPT and say, hey Chat, you are an expert personal brand and entrepreneurial coach with 10 years of experience. Help me brainstorm what my Ikigai can be based on these variables. Okay, number one, we have what I love, what I'm good at, what the world needs, what I can be paid for. Okay, remember, you can always pause this video, write down this prompt, or you get my prompt to profit guide. I really put in the work to do that for you. Okay, you really want to take your time to fill this up. Okay, fill all these details, and then once you're done, you click on enter. All right, I'm not going to fill mine because I had already done this. Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes, so if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button, And make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video.
I did this, and one of the business idea is exactly what I am doing now, helping people turn their skills and knowledge into online businesses, into profit, into online income. If the first output doesn't click, tweak it until it does. That's how clarity is built. You do not need a perfect plan, this perfect curated plan to start. Just pick the most obvious idea and run with it. I help African women build personal brands that turn attention and knowledge into income. It didn't start perfectly. It didn't start like this, but the clarity came with action. So you need to control the narrative. In this online content game, it's not always about who knows best. It's about who is best at communicating their value, their wins, their identity in the way others believe, trust, and buy into. According to Marion Golden, we have people with great solutions, but terrible messaging. If you are sitting on decades of experience and world class skills, but you don't know how to position yourself, package your message, and distribute that message consistently, you will get zero results. Just keep trying and trying until you decide to yourself, oh, this is not working for me. I'm going to look for something else. And then you just keep going around circles. Here is what you should do right now. Choose a platform and go all in. How do you do this? Let's go back to ChatGPT. Head back to ChatGPT and key in this prompt. Based on my Ikigai, give me a recommendation on which platform or platforms should be creating on to attract my ideal clients. Consider where my audience hangs out, competition on each platform. My Ikigai is, you key in your Ikigai from our previous prompt. So ChatGPT is going to suggest the key platform that you should focus on, one or two. So if you are great at speaking and explaining complex ideas, just like me, I can explain literally anything like ABC. If you're a sharp writer, Twitter or X or LinkedIn post will reward you fast. Define your message and create a strong personal brand statement. Just like my LinkedIn.
Helping African women turn their skills and knowledge into income by building profitable personal brands online, learning high income digital and AI skills.
The next thing you want to do is to create two types of content. For one, content that attracts, we're talking curiosity, we're talking story, we're talking content that evoke emotions. But two, content that converts, we're talking value, we're talking proof, we're talking solutions. Do you really want to be vulnerable, especially in the first one? Because vulnerability leads to authenticity. I struggled with this, okay, but I'm learning, to be very honest. I'm learning to share my story, be more vulnerable with my followers, with my subscribers. Perfection flourish from shame. Sincerely, that's what personal brand is not to die. So no perfection. Next thing I want to share with you, which is super important, and I need you to pay attention to this, is don't wait to monetize. You do not need 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 100,000 followers before you can start, oh, this is what I offer, buy from me. No, you do not. You need a clear offer. You need a way to get people on a call or a checkout page. For me, I use Seller. You need consistent content that communicates authority and trust. So don't obsess over followers, subscribers, or virality. Focus on clarity, conviction, and content that sells. If you want a full breakdown tailored to your own situation, book a one-on-one with me. Use the link in the description to book a one-on-one strategy call with me, and let's get on. In 2025, you don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the most talented or even the most experienced person in the room. You just need a clear personal brand, a monetizable skill, and of course, AI as your ally. This is your time to stand out. So stop using ChatGPT as your therapist. Okay? So use the link in the description and book that call today. If you want to join my group coaching program, the VA simulation program, of course, the link is in the description and the pinned comments as well. I can't wait to see you there. I hope this video was helpful to you, neighbor. Kindly click the like button so it can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, take a second now. and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in this video.